Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tuna palaman. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 cans of tuna, each around 6 ounces, ensuring they are well drained. Next, measure out about 1/4 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Don't forget to finely chop 1 small onion and 1 stalk of celery for that perfect crunch and flavor. Finally, have your salt and black pepper ready to season this delightful spread to your liking. Now, let's get to mixing. Begin by flaking your well-drained tuna thoroughly in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Ensure there are no large chunks. Then, add your finely chopped onion and celery to the tuna. Next, gently fold in the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, mixing everything until all ingredients are evenly combined and creamy. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper, adjusting to your personal preference for a balanced taste. Want to customize your tuna palaman? For a zesty kick, try adding 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice or a tablespoon of sweet pickle relish. If you prefer a richer texture, incorporate 1 finely chopped hard-boiled egg. This versatile spread is perfect served on toasted bread, crisp crackers, or even fresh lettuce cups. It also makes an excellent, satisfying filling for your favorite sandwiches or wraps, offering endless possibilities for enjoyment. To keep your tuna palaman fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It is crucial to refrigerate it promptly to maintain its quality and safety. For the best taste and texture, aim to enjoy your delicious spread within 3 to 4 days. This simple and satisfying recipe is perfect for quick lunches, delightful snacks, or even as a convenient party appetizer, bringing joy with every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.